Welcome to perspective drawing of staircase, and now in this drawing we will create 2D perspective of staircase. Now here I had drawn one object that is 1.2 meter by 1.2 meter square, and we have 1, 2, 3 risers. Now we are according to our paper size. Let's say if you are drawing in A3 paper size, so according to our paper size we have to choose proper scale. So we are selecting the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 0.4 meter. So here our object size is 1.2 meter. So 1.2 divided by 0.4. So our line will become 3 meter. So first of all, how to start perspective drawing, that we will see. So first of all, you have to draw the picture plane. So I am drawing one horizontal line. So this is my one picture plane. So first step is to draw the picture plane. Now second step is we have to draw the plan of this staircase. So let us say I am consider one point, let's say from here, and I am drawing the plan. Now here my length is 1.2 meter. So 1.2 divided by 0.4, so it will become 3, and this line is at an angle of 45 degree. So I am drawing, so at the rate, so our length is 1.2 meter. So 1.2 divided by 0.4, so becomes 3. So at the rate 3 less than, our angle is 45. So 45 plus 90, that is 135. Here again I am drawing the line. On this side, at the rate, length is 3, angle is 45. Now another line you have to draw from here. So I am just copy this line and again copy this line here to here. So you have to draw the square of 3 meter by 3 meter at an angle of 45 degree. So this is our plan. Now we have also 3 risers. So here the length is 3 meters. So at a distance of 1 meter, you have to draw these lines. So I am taking the offset 1 meter. So first step is to draw the plan. So our plan is ready. After drawing the plan, we have to decide the station point. So let us say I am selecting the station point. Let us say I am drawing one line from here vertically. You can select the station point at any point, it doesn't matter, but for starting purpose I am selecting this is my station point. So I am writing here station point. Okay, now after drawing the station point, the next step is you have to draw the cross section of the staircase. So our scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 0.4 meter and track depth is 0.2 meter. So after deciding the station point, our next step is we have to draw this cross section. This cross section is drawn in scale 1:1, but we have to draw in a scale of 1:0.4 meter. So here I will be draw this cross section. So 1.2 divided by 0.4, so our length becomes 3 meter. So I will be draw the one line from anywhere 3 meter, and I will be change the color so that you will be able to understand. This is 3 meter. Now vertical height is 0.2. So 0.2 divided by 0.4, so that one becomes 0.5 meter. So I will be draw the vertical line from here 0.5 meter. Horizontal line is 0.4 meter. So 0.4 divided by 0.4, so that one becomes 1 meter. Vertical 0.5 meter, horizontal 1 meter, vertical 0.5 meter, horizontal 1 meter, and finally close. So this is our side view of this staircase. This is our plan of the staircase. So I will be select this and let us apply the color red. Now our next step is we have to draw the 45 degree line from the station point, and it will be touches to the picture plane, right? So I will be draw the line at an angle of 45 degree from this station point. Again I will be draw the line 45 degree. Okay, so as you can see, this line is at 45 degree from the station point, and it will be touching to the picture plane, and from here I will be draw the vertical line, and from here also I will be draw the vertical line. Let us these are the projection lines. So let us, I will be change the color to the light color so that you will be able to understand. So these are the projection line. Now for after drawing these two lines 45 degree from the station point and touching to the picture plane, you have to decide the horizon. So let us say I will be draw my horizon from here, from this point. So this is my horizon. So I am copying this text, and so this is my horizon. Now you have to take horizontal projection of this cross section. So I will be draw the horizontal projection from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here, and you have to connect all these points. Now this point can be a vanishing point. So this is my vanishing point VP1. This point is my vanishing point. This intersection is vanishing point, and this is my horizon. So, and this point will be vanishing point 2. So if you are drawing the 45 degree line from the station point, and it will be extend to the picture plane, from that you have to draw the vertical line, and wherever it will be touched to the horizon, that is called as a vanishing point. Now you have to connect this vanishing point to the all this point. So first, second point is this one, and third point is this one. So all these 4 points should be connected. Similarly, all these 4 points should be connected to the vanishing point 2. Now after connecting all these points to the vanishing point, now let us I will be trim this line so that it will be not confusing much more. Okay, after drawing all this line, our next step is what? We have to connect all these planned lines to the station point. So how to connect? First of all, you to draw the line. Let's say I will be change the color, planned line change color, let's say green. So I will be draw the line from here to here, connecting all this line to the station point. All the staircase point should be connected to the station point. Obviously, if you are drawing the vertical line directly and station point in a vertical line, so this point and this point should be merged. Okay, and this line is our measure line. This is what our measure line. Okay, and again connect this point to this point, from this point to this point, and lastly this point to this point. So all this point we have to be connect. So we have connected vanishing point, we have connected vanishing point 2 points, and we have connected all the planned lines. So plan to the station point. Now after that, what you have to do, you have to draw all this line in a very light manner, in very light scale. So lightly you have to draw, because of these lines are not much more required. Now after that, you have to draw the vertical line from this picture plane. So I will be draw the vertical line. And let us, I will be change the color of vertical line so that you will be able to understand. Let's say cyan color. So now you have all the vertical lines, you have all the lines connected to the station point, you have all the lines connected to the vanishing point. Now you can able to draw the staircase very perfectly. So first of all, let us say I will be change the color to magenta, and it should be, let's say, dark, so that you can be able to understand very easily. Now our first point is from here to up to here. This is our staircase side view, this side view, right? First of all we will draw this side view, and then after we can draw this side view. Obviously you can also start from here as well. Now after that you have to connecting this line to this point. Then after you have to connect this line to this point, to this point. Again it will be connected here, again it will be connecting here, and lastly it is connecting here and here. So this is our this side view. Okay, now similarly you have to connect all this point to the vanishing point. So let us, I will be change the color to the, let's say, light color, connecting this point to this vanishing point, this point to the vanishing point, this point also connect to the vanishing point, also connect this point to the vanishing point, and this is already connected with the vanishing point, and again connect this point to this point. Okay, now we can also start from here. So what we can do, we can change the color magenta, and let's say draw with the line weight. Now I will be connecting this line to this point. Why to this point? Because of this is our exterior point. This is our exterior point. Then after this line is now connected to the vanishing point, and from here vertical I can also take the projection, and this connecting to the vanishing point, and this one I can connect from here. Similarly here, as you can see, the intersection is automatically found. So this intersection is now connected at here. Here also it will be connecting the intersection. So here vertical line is this one, from here connecting here, and vertical intersection from here to here. Similarly from this point to this point, vertical intersection, and lastly this point to this point, and this point to this point. So this is what our staircase is ready. So we will summarize that how we can do this thing. So what is our summarization? In our summary, first of all we have the plan and we have the side view, right? We have to choose the proper scale. So our first step is choose proper scale. Our second step, draw picture plane. Third step is draw plan with appropriate selected scale. Our fourth step is decide or locate station point. Okay, our fifth step is draw side view of object. It may be any object, staircase or anything. Now after drawing the side view, so how to draw the side view? From the station point you have to draw the one horizontal line, and you have to draw the side view with appropriate scale. Our next step is draw vertical line okay. Our next step is connect all corner point of staircase to the station point. So what is this? These are all the green lines. So as you can see, all the green lines, for example here I had shown green lines. So as you can see, all the green lines corner point are connected to the station point. Next you have to take the horizontal projection from side view. Next is you have to draw 45-degree line from station point both sides. With respect to horizontal, from station point both sides, and extend it to the picture plane. So what is this? This is our this line, 45-degree line. Draw 45-degree line from this, and you have to extend, let's say, this red line. Okay, so this is our 45-degree line. You have to draw from the station point and extend to the picture plane. And next step is draw vertical line from intersection of 45-degree line and picture plane. Next step is select horizon. So draw horizontal line. Next step is what? Select or intersection of vertical line and horizon line are called as a vanishing point. So locate two vanishing point. Our next step is we have to connect all the lines to the vanishing point 1 and vanishing point 2. So connect all horizontal projection of side view to vanishing point 1 and vanishing point 2. So what is this? These are horizontal projection of the side view. So let us say I am selecting different color, light green, and you have to connect all this line to the vanishing point. So first, second and third one is here, which is exactly merged. Here as well, first, second, third. Here third one is exactly matching. So first, second, third. So these are, let's say, somewhere this color, right? Then after you have to draw vertical lines from picture plane. Draw vertical line from intersection of picture plane and inclined lines. So what is that? This is our vertical line. So you have to, as you can see, this can color line is vertical line which is drawn from the intersection of picture plane and inclined line. Okay, so you will draw the vertical lines, and then after connecting all the points to the vanishing point 2 and vanishing point 1, and then after you can draw the actual perspective line. So now after that, draw actual perspective view with dark line. So how to draw that view? So you have to decide. So this is my point, so this point will be connecting up to here because of this is my outer staircase line. So that is point connected here. Then after you have to draw the vertical line. Vertical line you will draw up to this vanishing point to wherever it will be connects. So it will be draw up to here. From this point you will connecting vanishing point 1, vanishing point 1. Then after you have to draw this staircase like this. So this is our procedure to draw the staircase of to draw the perspective view of the staircase, and I hope that you will be understood very well, and if you have any query or any question you can feel free to ask. Thank you.